Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable HDR on Samsung Odyssey G6. To enable HDR, you will need to have a computer that supports it. Your GPU should support it, the monitor does, and I'll show you how to do it on Windows. Because that's the most likely. On Mac, if you want to do it, go to System Settings, then Display, and enable High Dynamic Range after selecting the correct monitor at the top of the setting. Now, in Windows, if you go to the settings, you'll find that there is a System right here. Then you can go to Display, and now make sure the correct one is selected. You can click on Identify. You can see this one is the one. And now I can go to HDR. Make sure I have the display the correct one selected. You can see it's even named here, Odyssey. Then I need to enable it. It'll turn the monitor black for a moment, and now it's enabled in HDR mode. You can calibrate it, you can adjust the settings, you can see now how it works with the HDR. You can disable it and see how it works without the HDR. You can change the content brightness. The SDR content brightness, you can see when SDR content brightness is all the way down, then the HDR content really stands out. And when it's somewhere in the middle, in person it does stand out, but I don't think it stands out on camera. But yeah, you can see it. You can see how it changes. I'll set it to something like that. You can also do auto HDR. And if it doesn't turn on, because a moment ago it didn't want to turn on, it was probably because I plugged in the monitor while the computer was turned on. So what I did was to restart the computer while the monitor is plugged in all the time, and then I was able to enable it here. You can also enable turn off HDR when my PC is running on the battery if you have a laptop. To help save power, because it does use more power for the HDR. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.